Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Like and subscribe if you want to. If not, I understand. Now, I got a new addition to the family, y'all. I'm unboxing my brand new Zastava ZPAP92. It's an AK pistol. Alright, let's take a look at this box first. It looks like it's black or dark brown and tan writing. Alright, now, this box is written in Serbian. Alright, so I'm going to translate this in Serbian to English. Alright, so right here it says Proizvobac, manufacturer. Alright, Zastava, Orужје, weapons. Alright, in Kragujevap, Serbia. Now, Kragujevap is the 4th largest city in Serbia. Alright, so it's manufacturer Zastava weapons in Kragujevap, Serbia. Alright, so that's what this box says, okay? And I'll put the Serbian to English translation down below in the description section of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and open this box up. Alright, see what we got here. Okay, so we have our manual right here, instruction manual. Alright, this is the one I have, a ZPAP92, chambered in 762 by 39. Alright, so throw this to the side. Now, take a look at this thing, man. Oh, let's take a look and see what we got here. We got ATF right here. Youth Handgun Safety Act notice right there. Very important. Alright, comes with a 30-round polymers magazine. Alright, and this is the last round bolt holder magazine right here. Alright. Then comes with a lock right here. Nice color black lock right there. Alright. Then it comes with a cleaning rod. Comes with the cleaning rod right here. Alright. And that's the cleaning rod, okay? Nice. Alright, now. Here you go, man. Look at that. Take it out this bag right here. Ooh, look at this thing, y'all. Ooh, this thing beautiful. Look at that, man. Shucks. Nice. Let's move this box out the way now. Get this box out the way. Alright. Throw this to the side. Okay, now. Take a good look at this AK, man. Ooh, look at this thing, y'all. Chambered in 762. Just get a real good look at it before I start talking about it, the features and things of that nature. I've got the adapter right there. Nice. The safety right here. Nice safety. Nice. Okay. Now this AK-47 is modeled after the M70. Alright, so it's modeled after M70. Alright. It has a stamped dimple receiver right here. Alright. It has a chrome bolt carry right here. Look like I believe it's nickel coated or something like that, you know. And also it has a Krink style muzzle brake right here. It keeps the blast from coming back to the shooter, so it keeps the blast from coming back towards you, you know. Alright, it has a Serbian dark wood right here. Alright, it has a 10-inch barrel. And it has also a Krink style rear sight. Alright. So it has, see, it has a 2-dot system right there. 2 right here. 2 stands for 200 meters. Alright. Then you can switch it to 4 to 400 meters. Okay. Then you look at the front sight. Alright. Basically another white dot. Alright. You can have the 3-dot aiming system like so. So the white dot in the front, basically for close quarters. Then also you got your ordinary AK sight right here. See that? Yep. So this was just a beautiful AK, man. This is my very first AK. Very first AK. Comes with the rail right here. All right. Let's see. Yep. Man, this is beautiful, man. Really is. This is beautiful. All right. Now let me put the magazine on it. See how I look with the magazine. All right. See, that's how it looks with the magazine on it. See that? Ooh, look at that thing, man. And all AKs are handcrafted. All of them are handcrafted. All right. Look at that. It's a 30 round mag. Beautiful. All right, take this out. Take this off. All right, now. Yep, got some metal ones for it. Metal mags. Right here is the first metal one. Comes with a dust cover. I got 2 of these. All right. Put this one on. All right. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful, man. Thank God. Thank God I finally got me an AK, man. Beautiful. Look at that thing, man. All right. Yep. So this is it right here, man. New addition to the family. All right. And also it has a hinged top cover with a rail. Go ahead and take the hinge cover off right quick. That's how you take it off. See that? That's how you take it off. Show you basically the inside of it. Yep. Then you put it back on like this. Boom. See that? Yeah, so that's it, guys. You know, like, subscribe this video, you know, and I'll catch you guys at the next one. All right.